Oh my god, I crashed the drone.
I'm Princess and I'm a lounge singer.
I'm Jamie and I fly aeroplanes. We decided to take a year off and go sailing. But thanks to COVID, now we spend our life on Jupiter.
Welcome aboard and join us on our circumnavigation.
I'm excited. Our first drone flight. Not really a flight, just training really. So this drone wasn't new, but it was new to us. We'd picked it up second-hand from some other cruisers. This was the first time that I'd ever flown a drone.
You should charge it.
First flight.
Nice.
Okay.
I'm not gonna put anything.
Not yet. Now he'll sit there. Now just come up higher a little. No. Left one up. You can drive away from us. You have fun. You have fun.
Raptor's first flight. So happy.
Yeah, it's not his first flight, it's my first flight. He's second hand.
Is that your simulator?
He's experienced.
You need to remove this.
Oh, I gotta put
This one. Go home.
Let's go diving.
We're gonna go diving. Here in Bequia, there's a tugboat over there.
Should we go to Moonhole instead?
Yeah, because it has a strong current here right now, so it's not a good day for diving. Maybe we'll go back tomorrow. We'll go to Moonhole. Wow, beautiful view. How deep here?
This structure is known as the Moonhole. It was built by a couple back in the 60s, and then a community was formed. Now this building is derelict and dangerous, but the rest of the community still maintain similar houses on top of the cliff.
So we gotta try to get the mooring. Let's see if we can go dive here.
I've mentioned before my feelings on taking these beautiful creatures, but we really had to start becoming more self-sufficient and stop spending all our money at the supermarket.
Be careful, please. Please.
Okay, I'm good.
Smile.
I'll just start it. We'll go home from here.
Big! Don't. It's not a good. Yeah. Congratulations, Mabi.
Finally, we get some dinner instead of buying
Lunch and dinner.
Little baby.
Yeah, just so small. He's not moving.
He sees you looking at him. So we're still here in Bequia. It's been nearly a month since we've been in the Grenadines, and we have to renew our cruising permit if we want to stay longer. So we think we're gonna leave. We had a little bit of a problem yesterday. The watermaker high pressure hose burst. I guess it's been nearly 4 years, I guess. And it seems to have, the wire braid in the hose seems to have, gone rusty. So we need a new high pressure hose. So we want to go to
Saint Martin.
well,
Martinique.
Martinique.
Yeah.
That was the plan initially, but we just found out, rumor has it, we may be able to get into St. Martin easier. Martinique, we have to quarantine a strict 14 days, which sucks. And St. Martin, they are saying no need for quarantine, no need for a test, because we're in a safe place right here. So we're coming from a safe island. But Still finding out. Anyway, we're going to go check out right now. Although we don't have to check out now.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Well, we don't have to leave tomorrow. But yeah, we sort of have to leave as soon as possible to go and get this high pressure hose.
Yeah.
We're going to have a water delivery to us today. It's costing a bit of money, but there's no choice. The only thing is, the longer we stay here, it just means we have to buy more water before we leave.
Yeah. Hopefully they can fix her.
I think we'll leave tomorrow. I think we'll leave tomorrow.
Okay.
And wherever we go, it'll be French, and they'll have lots of shops, and there'll be someone to make a high pressure hose for us. Because the water maker's broken, we have to conserve our fresh water. Doing the dishes with salt water to get the worst of the stuff off, and then just the fresh water rinse. We've lost our biggest luxury. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon. Oh, maybe I can take showers. Why they didn't go here? How's it?
Okay. Thought it tasted a bit oily. Because I can smell diesel in the water.
Oh, you're not gonna put the net? The stocking?
No, well, from what I saw, it was very clean.
Alright. Good.
I'm shitting myself. We are going to fly, first time off Jupiter. There's a very real risk of dropping it in the water, of course.
It's gonna be fine.
I hope so.
There's no wind and it's a beautiful day.
Hopefully. We just got to get some video of this beautiful water here in Bequia, because we're probably going to leave tomorrow.
You're recording?
This was only my second flight, but this was the main reason we wanted a drone in the first place, to be able to get spectacular footage of Jupiter in spectacular locations. All seemed to be going well, but I came in a little bit lower than usual. And what does a pilot do when he's too low? He pulls back on the stick. Well, unfortunately, for a drone, that means go down. Goodbye, Raptor. Rest in peace. Oh my god, I crashed the drone. I think I was getting a bit overconfident. I'm sorry, baby. My god, she's so pissed off at me. So luckily it crashed right next to the boat so I could reach it. And it did go below the surface. Just briefly. I mean, it just went below and I grabbed it. And it's started smoking. The battery, obviously, the motor's smoked. maybe we can just buy replacement parts somewhere.
This is an old Phantom B. It's hard to get.
Well,
parts of these.
yeah, okay. Guess we better get some veggies.
Only Captain is allowed inside, so I'm gonna wait for him.
Next up on Life on Jupiter, we check out of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We set sail for an overnight passage to Martinique, and on the way, we become a latrine for the local fishermen.